What's up everybody, Johnny here again from Experience RC. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So today I have a WLToy here. WLToys are really good bang for bucks because they have so many different cars out on the market to suit a lot of people's needs. The good things about them is they come in brush and brushless model at a pretty decent price as well. So here is the Buggy 124019, ready to run four-wheel drive 2.4 gigahertz electric Buggy 1/12 scale. It is pretty cool, and they claim this buggy able to make up to 55 km/h. Perhaps I will find out the maximum on-road speed later. So this car is about 320 Malaysian ringgit and 140 Sing dollar. If you're interested in this, link are down below in video description, so please go and check it out. So let's quickly have a look what's inside the box. A buggy. It feels quite nice for the price. Now really drew me into the car was the colors on it. It literally looks great. A 2.4 gigahertz controller. A tool that you can unscrew the wheel. A USB charger. And a manual on it. Quickly have a look under the body now. It is a brush version, as you can see, a huge brush model. Even though it is brush, but it still should get it up and running a bit fair. It's got an integrated, a 3-in-1 little chip here. Your ESC, your servo are lying down, and it's got a massive 2200 mAh 7.4 volts battery for the size of this buggy. It's got a massive aluminum parts as well, so you can see your steering linkage and the internal shaft. Here are all aluminiums. Pretty cool, huh? I think. Okay, let's don't waste too much time on this. Let's get a battery charge and hit the road.